everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Akriti and I make cute bracelets for my small business Smiti Beads. So today we are going to make a super fun seaside inspired bracelet keychain using blue and white clay beads. But oh boy, there's a little twist to this one. Something unfortunate happens while making it.
Oh no!
Stick around, things get a little dramatic. Look at all these little beads. They are so tiny but have got a big beach energy. Just wait until we get them on the string. It's going to be a masterpiece. Okay, now comes the fun part, threading. I like to do this slowly so I can really enjoy the process and make sure everything looks just right. Although I've turned the video into a 2x mode so that you don't get bored by the time. So first here I start with the blue beads, just one nice and simple. Then I alternate it with the white bead to create that fresh oceany look. I'm going for a nice balanced pattern here, nothing too crazy. Keeping it simple but chic like a calm day by the sea. Look at this. The beads are stacking up so nicely. You really start to see the seaside vibe coming through as the bracelet comes to the shape. I've also got these little shells I'm throwing in every so often just to add a little extra beachy charm. They really make the design pop. And look at these pearls. They are going to be the perfect finishing touch at the end. Now that I've got the beads all on the string, it's time to tie it. You want to make sure it's nice and secure, especially since we are turning this into keychain. A strong knot is a key, pun intended. And there we go, everything's in place. I'm really happy how this looks. It's got that relaxed beach vibe but with a bit of sparkle thanks to the pearls. So here's the part where I completely mess up. I was trying to separate these two pearls, nothing major, right? For some reason I decided to grab scissors because apparently my brain just went on vacation for a second and well, I ended up cutting the string. So yeah, now we have got broken bracelet. I thought of cutting the pearls into two with the scissor, but didn't realize I could cut the string as well with the scissor. I know, why scissors? What was I thinking? But hey, it's not the end of the world. Let's fix it. So the bracelet's a little smaller now, but it's still going to look cute. I'm just reducing the number of beads and making it a bit more compact. It's not how I imagined it, but honestly, this is how crafting goes sometimes, right? Frustrating, yes, but do we give up? Heck no. Now we are getting to the fun part, attaching the bracelet to the keychain. I'm using a jump ring just like I've shown you in other videos, but this keychain ring is a little thicker than usual, so it's gonna take a bit more muscle. I know this might look easy, but trust me, getting this jump ring through that thick keychain ring feels like I'm lifting weights at the gym. Kidding. But hey, you've gotta be patient, right? And there we have it, a super cute seaside inspired keychain. Honestly, I think it turned out great, especially after that little mishap. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. And remember, sometimes things don't go as planned, but that's okay. It's all about making the most of it and finding a way to turn mistakes into something even better. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.